Hello and welcome to the AB Tutor channel. For this week's video, I'm going to talk about the block applications policy effect. This effect allows the console user to select which applications can be run on their client machines, and much like the block printer effect, it allows you to use either a whitelist or blacklist. This means that you can specify a list of applications that the client user can run, or alternatively, you can specifically ban other applications. Which method you prefer to use depends largely on how strict you want to be with the control. Let's start off by blocking a specific application. To do this, we select to allow all applications to run except, and then click the Add button to enter an exception into the list. As before, a new entry will be added to the list, which we can then modify. There are a number of different ways to block applications. You can enter the full executable name, including extension. You can enter the full path of the executable, or you can enter the title bar text for the application. In all of these cases, you can also use wildcards to replace part of the entry, either to make it easier to type or to allow the item to refer to multiple programs. In these examples, I've used notepad.exe to block that one specific program. I've used h:\* to block any program on that network drive. This could be used to stop students running games or other software from their home directories, while still allowing them to use anything that was installed to the computer or to a different network drive. And finally, I've set up a block for *Facebook*. This will block any running application with Facebook in the title bar, such as a web browser. Blocking a website like this instead of using the block websites policy will prevent some workarounds from letting the user through. However, please be aware that it will completely close the web browser, potentially losing any work that's open in other tabs, and would also close a Word document that had Facebook in the file name, which could cause issues if a student needs to write an essay about Facebook, for example. The buttons down the right allow you to manipulate the list, adding a new entry or picking a program from your own computer so you don't need to enter the name manually. Bulk Add opens a free text entry box, allowing you to paste in a list of items from another program, one per line. Remove will delete the selected entries, and WinApps allows you to select Windows 10 modern apps as opposed to normal programs. At the bottom of the tab, we can turn on reporting. This allows you to configure AB Tutor to tell you when it force closes an application on a student's computer. If Report is ticked, each event will appear in the Events panel for any connected console and be saved to the event logs. If Send Notifications is ticked as well, a pop-up message will appear to alert the console user even if they aren't looking at the console. Once you have finished configuring your block list, move to the Finish tab to finalise the policy as normal. More details on this are available in the linked video. I shall now apply the policy to this client and demonstrate trying to load Notepad. As you can see, the application starts, but then is closed down almost immediately. Because I turned on notifications, the event has shown up in the Events panel. Here we can see the date and time and the details of what happened. Application block policies are also used in the background when you apply a temporary block to an application through the main interface. If you right-click on an application icon and select Apply Temporary Block, the console will apply a policy to that client which blocks that application for half an hour. If you wish to remove this temporary block, simply right-click on the policy icon in that client's row and remove it to allow them to continue to use it. I hope this has told you everything you need to know about the application block effect, but if you have any questions about this or any other AB Tutor feature, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com. Thanks for watching.